Yeah. Is that all? Is that all? Oh.
We're going to house and
Ooh, that's pretty.
good job, man. Oh, I caught him, huh? Yeah.
More. Ooh. Whoa, that was loud.
It's so loud.
See, you can stand right here and watch fireworks. You're not go nowhere. Big ones too. The first. Ooh, look at that one. Ooh. Woo! That was loud.
What's wrong, Papa?
That scared me.
Stay way close, cause there's some people driving fast today. There's gonna be a lot of drunk drivers today.
No.
Man.
Ah!
Mhm. That's perfect.
Ready. Ready.
Oh wow.
That's so beautiful.
I know.
And all the way back.
Well, thank you. You talk to me?
I was like, Mom.
Oh. Yeah, I'm beautiful.
I'm talking to you. And that was beautiful.
I know, that was beautiful. Watch, there's more. Watch.
Ah! Oh, the loud.
Oh.
Loud. Everywhere. There's everywhere in the whole world. Yeah, see those are fun. That's pretty, Mom.
That is pretty.
That's so pretty.
That's how you do, buddy.
I think that family down there is getting away from fireworks. Once or other blow one.
Huh?
Yeah.
That's pretty, Mom. Whoa, that's
Ooh, that's pretty.
yeah, that's pretty.
Oh wow.
More coming. Some more.
Yeah, and tomorrow they're gonna have more.
A lot.
I don't think that's a CD.
Really a lot.
Is that CD? No.
That's so. Ready? Oh.
See, down at the house, big firework.
That's so big.
Right?
I know.
See that?
That's somebody's house, man. Ooh. Ooh. that one.
Ready. The loud. Whoa, that's ready.
Oh wow.
Ma, I got pack and look at it.
No, stay right here.
Whoa. A bullet. Mom, I'm going inside.
Hey, sit back here. Yeah. Yeah, if that's somebody's house, man, they spend a lot of money on the fireworks.
You have one boy who works at West
That's so big.
100B.
Uh-huh.
He buy $3,000. When he buy $3,000, he go 1,000 free.
Look at it. Can you go get Hannah?
Hannah, she's sleeping. Yeah, she goes swimming all day. But the post was sleeping. Check her right there at the window.
No, she went upstairs.
You
Oh,
can
no,
watch
somebody
us.
still right there.
You can watch us. We are.
Oh,
Watching over here.
yeah,
Kaden,
she's
Go-
sleeping.
go see if Hannah Savannah want to come watch the fireworks. Everybody's coming out now.
Yeah. What's the most, I think?
I don't know.
she's
It was there.
Yeah, watch over here.
And over there.
I know.
right there, you friend. I think it's her.
No.
Kaden, stay back.
Okay, right there.
I'm not sure.
They're starting over there now.
It's not over there. So many. Blow up. So
Got it.
I saw some over there hiding over there. Whoa. Whoa.
They're right there, Papa. Squirrel.
Wow. Like a boat. Hunter. Not Hunter. That's not Hunter. Come, Eva. The Hannah here. Hey, can you put a shirt on G? Put pants on G. It's disgusting.
What's the name of the boy? Hamster?
Hunter.
Oh, I hear like hamster.
No, it's
You
Hunter.
know what's hamster? Hey.
That's funny, isn't it?
You feel like an angel.
You can't even see anything. You just hear the noise. Kaden, come here and watch it. Want to watch fireworks? Wow. Kaden, stay back over here.
Very short on, Papa. Mosquito bite.
Yeah, I've seen that. They're throwing over there too. Wow.
That was the biggest one. That's too big. That was so big. They're not the fire. You were recording?
Yeah,
You're live?
no, I'm recording.
Huh? That was.
I think live.
Huh?
Oh!
Live.
Yeah, we went to fireworks.
And Savannah, I'm live.
And you're live.
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you too.
They make a fireworks?
Yeah.
We're not going to set 4th of July, but we're going to watch.
They're probably gonna have quite a few tomorrow too.
Yeah, a lot of
Probably,
that.
yeah, probably.
Hey, at least you.
See this? See that one? It's a big one.
Yeah.
But see the city?
Oh, wow. Cooper missed that one.
See the city?
Over there! Over there!
Yeah.
There's coming one. It's gonna be... Look! Wow.
Wanda.
gonna be smoky yesterday.
Hey, at least you can stay at home and watch the fireworks. You don't have to go out.
Wow! Over there was got some.
It's beautiful, these
I know,
fireworks.
it's much more funner to watch them, right?
The lake is probably looking pretty right there. Because it got a reflection of
It's
water.
got so
Oh,
many
yeah.
You
today.
remember over there?
I see someone.
Salina?
Yeah, there was the people.
Huh?
Salina?
Nah.
Okay,
That was
shut
Salina
up,
we went
Kaden.
one time. On the old one.
Oh, Warsaw?
Also, that right there, the big one.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful.
Green. Oh, purple. Green. Purple, green. Oh, purple. Green. Kind of red, but
Oh. Oh, wow.
Over there.
oh, over there too, see it? Over there.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Huh?
Addie's house is a baby fireworks.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's a big one. Oh, wow.
Okay, that probably there is.
Now, Papa. No, look at Kaden, you literally missed it all. You missed the biggest.
Come on, Papa.
Kaden, you literally missed it.
Okay.
Go up there.
Yeah, you can go there.
You got one over there. It's still
Okay.
popping.
Right here.
Is that house over there? Addie's house? Taylor's house is over there.
No, ain't the end. Man, that's a lot of fireworks that people are doing it.
Yeah, it's better to watch them than making them. Wait! What? Oh, it's making one over there too.
Oh, they can wait for another one over that one.
Hmm?
They can wait.
You get me out. I got some over there. Yeah, you get me out.
Okay.
Oh.
When they're off. Why you try heat?
Well, that stuff on there is, I don't know if they're done or not.
I made it. No, not done. It's not done. Not done. It may be done. No. Oh, come on. Maybe it's done. Everybody. Oh, over there. Got some over there too. Want me to be closer? No, I saw. I don't. More coming out. More.